How to use product waitlist in Squarespace. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your Squarespace and then proceed to actually head over right here to the products and services. Once you're in there, you can see the selling tools. Proceed to click on that. In here, you can see some products, point of sale, as well as managing your storefront products. For this case, you can actually look in here for the waitlist option. So waitlist is on the right here on the manage your storefront. Click on this. Then after that, it will open here the actual waitlist option. So you can proceed to actually use this in order to track it. You first need to head over and enable it in settings. Click on this right there. It's under the selling option on your settings. Make sure to enable this. Click on save. And once you have saved this, close. And in here, you can see this. So for this case, you can just input right here the products that will actually have in here the waitlist signups. You can see in here some not in stock products as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.